Welcome to a new video of accessible technology to enhance inclusion. Today we will deal with styles in a Microsoft Word Office 365 document in the desktop version. We'll show you how to modify them, how to apply a new style. We would like to point out that styles are very important for users of screen readers, as these allow to keep a reading order inside the document. First, to apply a style, we must access the Inicio tab. In the center we find the styles. In order to apply a certain style, we select a paragraph from the document and clicking on the arrow a drop-down menu opens and we can select the style that we want. If we can't find the style that we want, click on the mouse button to expand the gallery. In this case, we have chosen the normal style to keep on using the same style order of the document. Once selected, the style is applied to the paragraph that we have selected. If what we want is to apply a predefined style, we must click on the arrow at the right-hand bottom of the submenu from the Style gallery. We click on the Estilos button and a floating panel opens that you can fix to the left or right margins, or leave it as a floating element to have shortcuts to apply quick styles or create a new style, browse styles, manage styles and other options as we'll see later. Then we choose the style, and we close the panel. Once we have closed the panel, if what we want is to personalize a style, we go to the style that we want to modify and click with the right button on it. A context menu opens that is displayed when we use the right button. We choose Modificar, and when you click, a window opens that allows us to change the style name, the format, the font size, color, whether we want it in bold or not, where we want it to occur inside the document. Additionally, two elements appear that we always keep selected, add to the Style gallery, to have it among the frequently used styles or for quick access. We also recommend selecting the option only in this document because there will be documents where you want to apply another style. Once this is done, we click on Accept and we check that the style has been modified. Another element that we want to show in today's video is how to work with the keyboard shortcuts, something that is very useful and is very simple. For example, we go to the subsection numbered as with Style Title 4, when it should be Principal or Title 2 style. To make them equal, we must select the style that we want in the document. Once selected, we press the Ctrl-Shift+C keys and we go to the title we want to change. We select it, press the Ctrl-Shift+V keys and we check that the style has changed from Title 4 to Title 2. It's very important to remember that using styles in Word is not always for aesthetic purposes, to provide the text with a coherent style, but it also affects the order of the document. We can see that pressing the Ctrl+B keys, and we see that the navigation panel opens. We go to the titles and we find the order of the document according to the headings. This allows us to browse the document using the screen reader and the keyboard. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. See you in the next video. Valencian Government Department of Innovation, Industry, Trade and Tourism Digital Divide Observatory Chair of Digital Divide and Functional Diversity Polytechnic University of Valencia Center for Quality Management and Change Social Group ONC, edecadic.com